Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be chatting about another Amazon fave you're gonna love. So grab your guys' coffee and let's get into it. But little quick disclaimer, I am a part of the Amazon Associate Program, which means I do earn a small commission for qualifying purchases. No extra cost to you. Just help your girl out. Okay, now that that's out the way, let's go get to the goods. If you're in the market or looking for a dresser that's very farmhouse, has that accent color, and really can just go with anything, this is for you. Because the top is that nice dark browns with a white, almost a beigey finish, and it also has the oil brushed knobs. It is a 10 drawer dresser. You have your two top ones, and the dresser is nice and big in the drawers, and they're a little deep. Obviously, as you go further down, the deeper they get. So you do have your four squares. Your two top are your rectangles, and then you have your deeper rectangles in the middle that you can store more things in. Your top one would be perfect for like electronics or jewelry. And then, yeah, so you can dress it up however you would like in your house. So go ahead, get this because it will look perfect no matter how you style it. All right, girlies, that's a wrap on today's Amazon faves. I hope you loved it, and let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if it's already in your cart. If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the little bell to miss out on my latest finds. Now go finish that iced coffee and have the best day ever. Love you lots and see you on the next one.